You're watching Fred the Incredible on YouTube. Thank you and enjoy the video.
What's up, guys? It's Fred the Incredible here. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna open up four of these Harry Potter mystery minifigures. Yeah, I'm gonna kick off a new web series that I'd like to call the Wizarding World Webseries. Now, I'm gonna show different Harry Potter things in my collection and do a review on them. Now, to kick it off, I'm gonna open up four of these.
Okay. Okay. There. The third one that we have is Professor Dumbledore.
This minifigure of Harry Potter, you see he's shown wearing his Order of the Phoenix outfit, and that's the gray jacket, red t-shirt, and he's holding his wand, and he's wearing pants that kind of look like the pants that I'm wearing right now. Well, not my pants aren't really made out of Legos, thankfully, because that would be it would be pretty hard for me to walk in them if they were made out of Legos. Okay, moving on, we've got Professor Dumbledore, well, or Albus Dumbledore. Whoops. So he's holding his phoenix, fox, and he also has a tan wand. You know, at first I thought Professor Dumbledore's wand would look like, I thought it would look more like the Elder Wand. I mean, he actually became owner of it, but like on before he died in Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Okay. And then we've got Fred Weasley, and he kind of looks like he's ready to go to Hogsmeade. Okay, and he can change facial expressions, where he's smiling, then he's smirking. Okay. Moving on, we've got Professor Sprout holding what looks to he's holding what looks to be like a mandrake. You know, to be honest, this doesn't really look like a mandrake at all. It looks more like a deformed mutant pumpkin, and as if it had a tan done on it. Okay, so Professor Sprout has a tan wand just like Dumbledore, and she can change her facial expression. And Professor Sprout kind of looks like she's not concerned, but how should I put this? Shocked. Okay. And that's it for the Harry Potter mystery minifigures. I'll leave a just a sec. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you'd like to see me open up more of these Harry Potter mystery minifigures, let me know down in the comments below. And also, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and follow me on my social media: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. Yeah, that's right. I finally have Snapchat again for the first time in like 2 years. Well, 2.5 years to be exact. And you can find these at your local store. Well, at your local grocery store as well. And until my next video, I will see you guys when I get there. Peace.